doing today? You guys, so we're finally done with our 7 days of 1000 jump rope challenge, and it has been a roller coaster, but that's why I'm here. I'm here to talk you guys through it. Let's find better lighting, I don't know what happened. This chandelier, it won't come on, and I was counting on it for light, so we're just gonna do what we're gonna do. Today's video, everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. Well, we're gonna push through. Okay. I don't think I've posted this on my Instagram or anything. I've never mentioned it on YouTube, but you guys can guess already from the title that in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my 1000 jump rope challenge that I've done for a week. So I finished this challenge yesterday, and just in time to post it for today. I'm not sure I'm going to be doing any more workout challenges. They are fun, but I think I'll be doing it for my own personal self. I don't think I'll be documenting it anymore because I've already gotten the motivation I actually wanted to get from documenting it to continue. Anywho, so essentially the 1000 jump rope challenge is a challenge in which you do 1000 jump ropes every day. So on the first day you do 1000 jump ropes, and then the next day you add 100 to it. After that you add 200, so you keep increasing it by 100 as the days progress. On my last day I did 2000. Who is this girl? Why I actually wanted to start this challenge is because I was looking for some motivation. I was actually looking for something new to start in terms of a workout. I had done Grow with Joe. I even tried doing the I Quit Sugar challenge. I was just looking for a weight loss challenge essentially. I even filmed the intro for the I Quit Sugar challenge and everything. But what I came to realize after filming that intro and after trying to do it for 1 or 2 days was the fact that I didn't really have a problem with quitting sugar. Normally I drink my coffee black anyways. I'm not a sweet tooth. I just have sweet cravings from time to time, but I'm not really typically your sweet tooth. So I felt like that wasn't going to be a really difficult challenge. Who is this girl looking for difficult challenges? Anyways, yeah, so I started this challenge on Sunday, the 1000 jump rope challenge, and I have to tell you that day one was actually the hardest. Day one, and
these days I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No, these days I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one no.
Oh my god, you guys, literally fainting. Now I see why gym instructors are necessary, because if there was somebody gassing me up, I would have finished a long time ago. But I had to be my own motivation. I had to keep pushing myself. Imagine today's day. I can barely talk. I'm so tired. Today is day 2. No idea why I look this crusty, but I can't feel my calves, my lower back, part of my hands, the back of this part of my hand. I can't feel anything. Just one day. I literally can't feel anything.
Thousands of tears later.
Today is definitely better than yesterday. I'm feeling because I've got music in my ears. I can tell you that music definitely helps. See, pardon how I look crusty AF. Y'all know I'm a snack. Okay. Now let me finish.
And ain't nothing social about.
This is literally me after every 50 reps. Like, internally screaming. I don't know how to show you guys this, but I can barely walk. When I'm coming down the stairs, let me show you guys how today is just day 3. I haven't even done day 3, so when I'm coming down the stairs, let me show you guys how I have to come down the stairs. So, you're coming down the stairs one by one. I literally have to hold the railing like this to go to the next step. I'm literally walking like an old woman. It's crazy. The lighting there is not good. I would have shown you. Like, I'm literally holding onto the railings like this. Like, I hold on to one like this, and then step down. It's wild. I'm contemplating continuing this, but I know I still will, because if I know anything about exercise, it's usually when you feel the most pain, you should continue doing it. Just, my muscles are going through it. Like, that's all I can say. My muscles are going through it. I can barely walk properly. I stood up from the bed this morning. I woke up, I stood up from the bed. I wanted to go to the bathroom. I put my foot down on the bed. It's literally like I'm learning to walk all over again. So I put one foot down on the bed, put the second foot. I literally have to like hold my balance. My muscles are tight. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I don't know how to describe it. I'm going through it, Sha. That's just the point. It's wild. Like, no one told me it was going to be this crazy. You think it's just jumping ropes. You think it's just doing rotations. You think it's just keeping. It is wild.
Cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you.
Day 1 and day 5 for some reason was like the hardest days ever. Like it was crazy difficult. Actually, day 2. I don't know why my hair is all over my face, you guys. Honestly, day 1 was crazy. I don't know. I really don't know how I was able to pull through day 1, but I think it took me like 2 hours to finish 1,000. I just kept stopping and panting. So by day 2, I was like, you know, I can't do this anymore. I'm going to why am I doing this to myself? I can't do this anymore. But I really love this challenge, and I actually really do love challenges, because one thing with challenges, from what I've learned, is that they actually push you to becoming your best self. What I'm trying to say essentially is that what I've really learned from this challenge is that you can actually do things you think are hard. You can do the hard stuff. Why I'm saying hard stuff is because I really don't like calling things hard. You can really do anything you put your mind to do. If you tell yourself, I'm going to do this thing, you're definitely going to do it. So like, I've stopped telling myself this thing is hard and that thing is hard. So day 1 was a mess. Day 1 was an absolute mess. Day 2, after day 2, I was like, I'm not going to do this thing anymore. I'm tired. But then I just woke up in the morning, and there's something about giving yourself a routine. By the time you wake up in the morning, your mind is telling you, you need to go do your 1,000 jump rope challenge. So I just powered through the rest of the whole week. Day 5, I'm not sure what happened on day 5, but I just really did not have motivation for day 5. I was like, I'm over this. I'm going to stop on day 5. In my mind, I was telling myself like 5 days is okay. And that's it, you've tried. But something in me wants to see it to the end. Like, no, you've not tried. You have to keep going. Like, why would you stop at day 5 when you can finish the whole challenge? So essentially, I was able to finish the challenge. Not gonna lie, today is the final day. I feel so unmotivated. Yeah, we can do this, okay? We can do this. Like, literally, we can do this. I'm so proud of myself. I'm actually so proud as well of my results, which I'm going to be sharing very soon. However, I wanted to just use this medium to drop some tips and some motivation on how I was able to actually power through this challenge. So the first thing I would definitely say that helped me is music. You have to choose the right music while you're doing this workout. I don't know if you guys are like me, but for me, like, I use music to do everything, especially things I don't typically enjoy doing, like doing dishes or doing house chores. Once I just put music in my ears and blast full music, I'm good. So music, like, choose a spanking playlist. If you guys can guess the song I was using to power me through this workout, go to my last video of my sister. I'm sure you can guess already. This song really helped me. Like, music is powerful. Music is really powerful. Another thing is, what also helped me is I broke it down into reps. So I'll do a rep of 50, then pause for some seconds, continue another 50, pause for some seconds. Sometimes I'll do 60, pause for some seconds. So I was doing that, and then I was counting down onto 1,000. So that really helped me. But imagine just going 1,000 straight. You have to be seriously fit to be able to do that. Seriously fit. And then another thing that just helped me is just being able to tell myself that I did it. So it's really essential to give yourself a target and a goal, and be able to tell yourself that I'm not going to stop until I can tell myself, yes, I did it. Like, you need to be able to prove to yourself that you can do unimaginable things. Honestly, when I started this workout challenge, I was like, this thing is crazy, man. Like, see, by day 3, I couldn't walk down the stairs. I was struggling. I couldn't walk down. Like, my legs were sore. I was like, oh my goodness, have I made a mistake? Have I injured myself? What have I done to myself? But I kept pushing, I kept going. Like, I just kept at it, and I'm so grateful that I did. Anyways, let me just jump right into why you guys are here. Obviously, you guys are here for the results. So I was thinking to myself that I don't want to actually mention numbers, because I don't want to trigger anybody with maybe like a bad eating habit or anything, or just think that because you do this, you're going to achieve the same results as me. But I feel like I still need to share the results at the end of the day. I'll probably even put it in the title or something. So, you guys, I honestly cannot believe it. I really cannot believe the results because I started this workout without having any expectations. I didn't put any goal in my mind like, okay, this is what I want to achieve at the end of this workout. This I want to lose XXS kg. I didn't put any expectations, so I managed my expectations. I knew that if I climbed on the scale and I didn't lose anything, fine. If I climbed on the scale and I lost 10 kg, also fine. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So I didn't really put any expectations in my mind that okay, this is what I want to do. I just kept going with the flow. Also, from the soreness of my muscles in my legs, I knew for a fact that my muscles were being developed. So I was like, you might be burning fat and replacing it with muscle, and then when you check the scale, you feel like you're not losing anything. So I've told myself for a while now, I'm not going to be checking the scale like all the time. I'm just going to be checking it like maybe once in a month or twice in a month, because like your body changes all the time. All I want to go by is how I look in the mirror, how I fit into my old clothes, and more like how I feel as well. So I don't really want numbers to control me. One thing I taught myself a long time ago is to never let numbers control me, ever. Not the numbers that the bank statement says, not the number on the scale, not the number in your accounts, not the number in your grade. Like I've never allowed numbers control me. I control numbers. So I just felt like it would be more motivating if I actually share that. I'm not going to tell you guys what I started as, but honestly I stepped on the scale yesterday morning and I couldn't believe my eyes because I wasn't expecting to lose this much. Honestly, it's crazy. Like I couldn't believe it. I had to rub my eyes on the scale like what. Like I think it's good to manage your expectations because it really helped me to not be disappointed. I was like, huh? I really couldn't believe it. So let me just tell you guys, I lost 4 kg doing this exercise and I'm just 2 kg close to my first goal, 2 kg closer to my first goal weight just by doing this exercise. Like I can't believe it. Like I'm so excited, like I'm so pumped. So yeah, that's the result. And also I can already feel myself lighter. Like I know it's too early to tell in the weight loss journey, but I can already feel myself lighter. My colleague even mentioned it to me. She's like, you're already looking, so I'm not trying to go by that, honestly. I'm not trying to go by what anybody thinks or what anybody says or what people it's based on how I feel. This journey is purely about me. This journey is purely when I get to where I'm going to actually sit down and give you guys the full tea, why I started, where I'm at, how I've everything, the whole thing. But this is just a part of the process. I don't think I'm going to be dropping any more. I can't promise, but I don't think so. So yeah, I just had to drop that there. I just had to update you guys. Like I did this challenge and I'm so happy I pushed myself to doing it. So before I speak too soon and say I'm not going to be doing any more challenges, if you guys actually have things you want me to try out, I actually wouldn't mind. Just leave it in the comment section and let's see how it goes. I mean, who knows? So yeah, that's it for this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for watching till the end. If you're an OG, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're also new, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Just click the link in the description box below. Turn on the bell so that you always get notified whenever I post, and please like this video. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Let's set up. First of all, let's appreciate what a beautiful morning it is. You guys know I always have to do this. Appreciate the trees on the ground, appreciate the clouds on the skies, appreciate the sun, appreciate nature. To be honest, you guys know I love doing this. Like I just love soaking it all in. It's a bit sunny today, but I don't mind. I actually want to work out today. So yeah, let's do this. Oh my goodness, you guys! I killed it. If you put your mind to it, you can definitely do it. Okay. Good morning, you guys. How you guys doing today? Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Obviously from the title.